Did you know less than 60% pass the MB ASCP CM exam on their first try? Most fail because they misunderstand what MB ASCP CM actually tests. But stick with me by the end, you'll know the secrets most lab techs miss and the biggest mistake to avoid. Today, we'll break down exactly how to crush the MB ASCP CM certification. You'll learn what MB ASCP CM really means, who qualifies, how the process works, and common pitfalls. MLSIAcademy.com is built for lab pros chasing ASCP success. Let's get into it. MB ASCP CM stands for Technologist in Molecular Biology, certified by ASCP with continuing maintenance. It's the gold standard credential for molecular diagnostics. To even apply, you need a baccalaureate degree and must meet one official requirement route listed by ASCP. One common path is having a relevant science degree plus specific lab experience. Check only the official ASCP page for full eligibility. Don't trust what you see on random forums. Myth: it's just textbook science. Reality: MB ASCP CM demands real-world lab knowledge, not just memorization. Another mistake: waiting to prep until after applying. Start focused study early and use practice questions mirroring exam style. Thousands have passed with MLSIAcademy.com's expert-led live classes, video lessons, study guides, and targeted Q-banks at our platform. Let's recap. MB ASCP CM is the must-have certification for molecular biology lab pros. Eligibility and test details are official. Always double-check the ASCP site. Serious about passing? Explore the MLSI prep tools. Next time, we'll break down MB ASCP jobs. Hit subscribe and check our channel for the full walkthrough.